How to create a Google Ads business account fast. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up your Google Ads business account quickly and efficiently. If you're ready to enhance your online presence and drive more traffic to your business, you're in the right place. Follow these steps to get started. First, open your web browser and go to ads.google.com. Click the Start Now button. You'll need a Google account to proceed. If you don't have one, create it by clicking on Create Account and follow the prompts. Now, if you already have a Google account, simply sign in. Once signed in, you'll be prompted to choose your main advertising goal. You can select from options like Get more calls, increase site traffic, or boost visits to physical locations. Choose what aligns best with your business objectives. Next, enter your business name and website URL. This information helps Google tailor your ads to suit your audience. If you don't have a website, Google offers options to create one or use your Google business profile. Then, set up your target audience. Decide the geographic location where you want customers to see your ads. You can specify countries, regions, or even input specific areas. Precise targeting ensures your ads reach potential customers in desired areas. Now, it's time to create your ad. Write a compelling headline and a description that highlights the benefits of your product or service. Remember to keep it clear and engaging to attract more clicks. After crafting your ad, you'll set your budget. Enter the amount you're willing to spend daily. Google will provide an estimate of the potential reach and clicks you can expect within your budget. Finally, input your payment information. Choose the payment method that suits you best. This step is necessary to launch your Google Ads campaign. After reviewing all information provided, click Submit or Launch Campaign. Google will review your ad, and once approved, it'll go live.